my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you what's in my everyday bag. So this is the bag that I use almost every day. It's a Prada Tessuto bag, and I got this last early January. And ever since I got this bag, I've been using it almost every day. I take this bag with me to work, to pretty much everywhere. Yeah, I've been really loving this bag. So in this video, I'm going to show you what fits inside and my thoughts and feelings about this bag. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So this is the Prada Tessuto bag, and this one is the crossbody version. There is another hobo bag version with just one shoulder strap, but this one has a longer strap like this with a pocket. How cute is this? It's so cute. And another chain strap like this. So I love the versatility of this. On a daily basis, I just put the chain strap hanging like this and just use this longer strap and wear it as a crossbody. Since it's a nylon bag, it's not heavy at all. I think it's a perfect everyday bag. I wasn't really a big fan of Prada, but when they came up with this bag, I just fell in love with it and I just had to get it. So let me show you what's inside. So as you can see, it's all packed. First, I have a small pouch. And you probably noticed that I've been really into Mickey Mouse because it's the year of the rat, and I love Disney and especially Mickey Mouse. So I've been kind of obsessed with Mickey Mouse, and you'll see more of Mickey Mouse stuff later. But inside in this pouch, I have a sanitizer. You know, it's a must-have. It's a virus outbreak. It's just crazy. So it's a hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works, and it has a unicorn holder, and this sanitizer has glitters, so it's quite fun. Love that. Also in this pouch I have a lip balm. It's also very glittery. I just bought it because of the packaging, to be honest. It's so cute. It's like rainbow and so happy. The way you open this lip balm is by pushing the button like this. Did you see that? It doesn't have any color, but when you apply on your lips, it turns based on your body temperature. It's nothing special, but I just love the packaging. It's so fun. And also I have a Listerine mint. Love this stuff. And I have a female product and a small bottle of Byredo perfume, Blanche. I love this scent too. And lip color from NARS. This one is in Walk This Way. So that's the pouch. And here I have my badge for work. I have to carry it with me all the time. And then here I have a cushion foundation. This is from Chanel in color N12 Rosé. Yeah, just regular cushion foundation, nothing special. I've been using this cushion foundation since last summer, and it's okay. And lastly, I have a wallet. I got a new wallet. It's from Gucci, and it's from their Mickey Mouse collection. You know, I had to get it when I saw Mickey Mouse because I love Mickey Mouse so much. And inside I just have cards and more cards. To be honest, I don't need this kind of wallet because all I carry is credit cards. But all my card holders, including the Hermes one that I recently got, were beaten up by Boson. It's got chewed and beaten up by Boson. Look at it. I just had to get another wallet, and this one is a little bit too bulky for me. I really like this one. It's very slim and it fits a lot of cards. And if I had this card holder, it fits right inside. But with this wallet, because it's a little bit too bulky, I've been having a little bit hard time putting it in the bag. I just need to find some room, and now it can fit inside. And with the wallet, it's very hard to fit my iPhone 11 Pro. I mean, I can put it right here, and let me see if I can close it. Yeah, it gets really tight with my iPhone inside. But without my iPhone, you can somehow close the bag. I'm sweating just doing that. Let me see. I want to try with my Hermes wallet. So with this wallet, my iPhone 11 Pro, and yeah, it just closes perfectly. So that's the main compartment, and remember, I have another pocket in my shoulder strap. So inside of this small pocket, I have dun, da, da, da. I have an iPod Pro with a Mickey Mouse case, of course. So cute, right? This goes perfectly inside of this pocket. So that's it for what's in my Prada Tessuto bag. First of all, I really love this versatility of this bag with the 2 straps. So you can wear it as a crossbody if you want, and if you go out for dinner, then you can just take this chain strap and wear it as a hobo bag like this. Also, this little pocket makes a huge statement and so cute. But the only downside of this bag is the size. Without the bulky wallet, then you can pretty much fit everything that you need on a daily basis. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to hit thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
To the beach, wait.